From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Trevor Grandin. A new report from the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services finds every pregnancy-related death in Missouri linked to mental health conditions could have been prevented. The legislature-mandated report reviewed maternal deaths in Missouri between 2019 and 2023. During that time, an average of 68 women died each year while pregnant or within a year after giving birth. State health officials say the findings are largely unchanged from the previous report. Sarah Earhart-Reed runs the Office on Women's Health at the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services.
To be clear, we want things to get better, but it's encouraging that things are not getting worse than what they were before.
The report also found Black women were 2.5 times more likely than white women to die from pregnancy-related causes. Missouri Governor Mike Kehoe has requested a disaster declaration in the aftermath of severe storms that brought heavy rain and flash flooding in June. KOMU8 reports Kehoe has asked President Donald Trump to approve a declaration that would unlock aid from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The request for FEMA assistance comes for 34 counties, including Callaway, Camden, and Gasconade. If approved, the request would allow local governments and nonprofits to seek reimbursement for the cost of emergency response and recovery. It's estimated the June storms cost more than $32 million in damage to public infrastructure and for emergency response. Missouri has had 81 tornadoes this year, nearly 30 more than the state's average. That continues a trend of storms forming east of what is traditionally known as Tornado Alley. Harvest Public Media's Abigail Botar reports.
Severe weather in the Midwest has been surpassing records. Illinois, for example, typically averages 54 tornadoes annually, but this year, according to the National Weather Service, the state leads the nation with 178 tornadoes so far. That's a trend Victor Gensini has been studying for nearly a decade. He's a professor of Earth, Atmosphere, and Environment at Northern Illinois University and published research in 2018 showing tornadoes have been shifting east into the Midwest and Southeast. He says climate change causing warmer temperatures could be contributing to this increase in activity in these regions.
The conditions are kind of favorable, right, if we have more of that heat and humidity laying around.
Missouri, Indiana, and Iowa have also seen higher than average tornado activity this year. I'm Abigail Botar, Harvest Public Media.
And Governor Mike Kehoe signed 19 bills into Missouri law yesterday, including one that creates greater penalties for drunk driving. Through the legislation, anyone who is found guilty of causing the death of another person while driving drunk will not be eligible for probation or parole until they have served at least 5 years in prison. Under the bill, someone with a drunk driving offense who has caused personal injury or property damage must install a breathalyzer in their vehicle to gain driving privileges. The device tests a person's blood alcohol level and can prevent a car from starting. Kehoe signed the bills in a closed ceremony yesterday. I'm Trevor Grandin, KBIA News, Columbia.